Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing this straight 13x6 HD lace front wig that I received from West Kiss Hair. This wig is 24 inches long and it is 200% density. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package, and as you can see, this unit comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and overall pre-customized. This unit is truly a 13x6 HD unit. The quality of the lace was definitely top tier, and the hair itself was so nice and soft, and this is just off of my initial thoughts on this unit. Also, I didn't do any customization to this unit off camera except apply my Ebin lace tint in the color medium brown to the lace. First thing I'm doing is cutting the ear tabs off on each side of this lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. Now I'm cutting my lace into 3 sections, and I'm going to work on each section separately, starting with that middle section. And to lay my lace down today, I'm going in with my Gold Hold Active Lace Glue, and I'm applying 2 layers of that lace glue for a stronger hold. I'm going in with my blow dryer on a medium heat setting, and I'm blow drying until the lace is tacky enough for me to lay my lace down. When it comes to laying my lace down, I like to make sure that the hairline on the lace is laid directly on top of where I applied the glue. Then I'm going to go back in with my blow dryer again and blow dry on a medium heat setting until the lace is fully glued down. Then you want to do those same exact steps to the other 2 sections of the lace. Now I'm going in with my elastic band, and I'm also going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting, and I'm blow drying on top of my elastic band to give my lace that melted lace look. I do this process for about 5 minutes. Now I'm only applying a thin layer of my Ebin Firm Hold Spray to the lace, and this will ensure that my lace will be fully glued down, and it'll also help your installs to lay down and last longer. To cut my lace, I'm going in with my Kiss razor, and I like using a razor for my lace because it makes the lace look so much more natural. And I like to cut my lace in sections because I get to really pay more attention to the details of the lace as I'm cutting it. Now I'm going back in with that same Ebin Firm Hold spray and just relaying any areas that did not fully glue down the first time. This step will also help take away that white cast on the lace, which will also make it look much more natural. I'm going in with a rat tail comb and just combing out the hairline area, making sure that there's no hairs that's stuck from the adhesive spray. Now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. So now that we got our lace to match our skin tone, the lace is looking nice and natural, it is time to flatten the foundation of this wig and make it look like a nice, neat install. So now it's time to hot comb the hair, and the key to a really flat install is parting the hair and hot combing it in sections. Once I get to the top of my wig, that's when I like to go in with my Cat Care wax stick to really make sure that the wig is even flatter. You want to do that same exact process to the other side of the wig. Y'all, I was not playing when I said I really want this insole to be nice and flat. So now I'm going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting in my brush, and I'm just going over the top of this wig. I really love doing this step because if the hot comb don't do it, I know for sure this step will flatten a wig. Now, this is optional, but if you want to add baby hairs to the unit, I am going to get into that process. And I feel like this is more of a visual type of learning process, so I'm just going to let y'all watch. Also, all of the products that I have used for this install will be listed below in my description box, and I also have my Amazon storefront listed below with all of the products that I used for my wigs. I'm using the Nairobi foam to lay my baby hairs down today. Now I'm going in with my Ebin Wig Knots concealer in the color medium beige to enhance my parting space. This product that I'm spraying is called Keep It Fresh by Taraji P. Henson. I'll link it down below, but this product keeps the hair nice and fresh. It smells so good and it makes my hair feel nice and soft. The product is also very lightweight, and that's very important to me because I do not like heavy products in my hair. Now on to the styling process. I'm going through this hair with my flat iron, and honestly I just ran my flat iron through the hair, and it really wasn't even a lot of work to style it because the hair was already pretty straight. I just had to go over it a little bit. So here is the final look of this wig, and I have nothing bad to say about this wig. As long as I can remember, West Kiss hair have great hair quality, and I never ever really have any complaints when it comes to West Kiss hair. My favorite thing about this unit is definitely the quality of this hair. When I tell y'all my fingers ran straight through this wig, it was so soft, it was flowy. You can literally just feel the good quality with this wig. I also appreciated the fact that this is real HD lace. It melts right into your skin tone. And as far as the 13x6, they actually give you the full 13x6 lace on this unit. I've had this wig on for a few weeks now, and I've received so many compliments, and still no shedding, no tangles, no complaints. If y'all are looking for a good quality wig, make sure y'all tap in with West Kiss hair. Thank y'all so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.